So I'm on Ubuntu 22.04, and if I check which version of PHP is available in the repository by default, we can see that we get a whole lot of results, but all of them are for PHP 8.1. Let's see how we can install PHP 8.3. Let's start by updating our package list. And now we need to add apt repository. And the repository we need is called ppa:/Andre/PHP. This Andre guy does amazing work for many years, and if it's in your capability, you can make a donation to his Patreon account. So we need to press enter. And let's update our package list again. And if we list which versions of PHP are available to install now, we can see that we now have PHP 8.3, 8.2, and 8.1. So let's go ahead and install PHP 8.3. And we now have PHP 8.3 installed.